Have you ever heard the saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know? Who you know could help you get in the door and potentially get the job. My name is Amy Huffel, the Talent Engagement Manager at Cornerstone Home Lending, and today I'm sharing the industry secrets you need to build a network that will help you get the job. Here are a few networking tips and tricks that can help you make your job search successful. Number 1. Get personal. Networking events are a bit like being set up on a blind date. People want to feel that you are genuinely interested in them, so ask questions to get to know the other person and understand what they do. Share details about yourself along the way and connect over common interests and passions. Don't make the mistake of only talking about business. Let loose and show the real you. Number 2, make the most of social media. One of the best things about networking nowadays is that you can grow your connections from the comfort of your home. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Clubhouse are some awesome places to network with like-minded professionals. If you haven't already, sign up for LinkedIn, join a Facebook group, and start making those connections online. Number 3, follow up. After you make a new connection, make sure to follow up. You can send a LinkedIn request, include a personal message, or shoot them a text. The strongest networking connections are nurtured over time. Networking is one of the most important job search techniques that you should have in your toolbox. Your skills will get you started, but the connections you make through networking can help you ensure a long and thriving career in whatever profession you pursue. I hope today's video will help give you the tips and tricks you need to help make fantastic connections and network like a pro. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.